Class 8 Algebra Exercise 3G. Here we will apply this formula: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xy. But here second number we have got one condition, that whenever x plus y plus z, if it is given as 0, then we have to apply this formula: x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So by these two formulas we can solve exercise 3G. Now our first question, we have got this side. What we have to write? The other side one. X plus y minus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz. Whatever the numbers are written, I have written like this. Now let me give you some hint how to solve this. Don't look this side, we have to look only these three. X cube plus is here plus y cube, then minus z we have got minus, so right here minus z cube. Now minus 3 in place of a, x in place of b, y in place of c, minus z. So minus and minus changed into plus. This is your answer. Again for the next one, x minus y minus z numbers are given here. Just break it and then again that same thing we have to apply. What is that? We have to look these three: x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3x minus y minus z minus x minus y minus z minus minus plus plus minus minus. We got our answer. So always remember as it is we have written. Now what we have to do? Just x cube minus 2y cube plus 3z cube minus 3x minus 2y and 3. So minus and minus changed into plus. 3 if you write thrice you will get 27, and 2 if you write thrice you will get 8. 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18xy. This is your answer. We won't have any difference here, all in that same way. We have to solve all in the same process. Here for example, if we have got this, so from here question number 5, a cube b cube c cube minus 3abc is given here. We have to write that other side number. So how to write it? First of all, break this number into cubes, minus 3abc, and then apply. What we have to write? A plus b plus c, a b c. Then by seeing this only we have to write further: a square b square c square minus ab, then minus bc, then minus ac, and just you have to solve this. 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 5 here, 4 here, 4 5s are 20 ac. For example, this question is here 8 we have got, so 2b whole cube 64, 4c whole cube minus 3abc, abc from here we have to see. What have I told you? That right from here a, b and c, so a plus 2b plus c, and by this only we have to write further: a square b square c square, a square b square c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Write down here, and just you have to square that methods, you will get out your answer. Here also, if 1 is here, that means this is the cube root of 1. Some differences we have got from here. Question number 13, because these three we have to, this 3 will be your homework. Question number 10, 11 and 12. Question number 13, 2 root 2a cube. So what is the meaning of 2? Actually 2 means 2 root 2's. So here it is given 2 root 2. So what does this mean? 2 root 2. 2 means 2 root 2 and one more is there. That means altogether how many root 2 we have got? We have got 3 root 2's. So easily we can write down here root 2a whole cube. Same way, if you break this 16, you will get 2 root 2b cube plus c cube minus a, b, c, as it is written from here. That same number we have to apply. And as I have told you, we have to check these three numbers only. A, B, C, a square, b square, c square, a square, b square, c square, minus ab, minus bc, minus ac. And that same thing we have to apply. If 2 root 2's we have to multiply, what we will get? 1, 2 we should get. That same number is being written here. And the same number, as I have done number 13, same way we have to do question number 15. 2 root 2, that means root 2. 3 cube root of 3. So root cube of 3b cube. As I have done earlier, that same way we have to apply. That again, if like this it comes, we have studied earlier that if root 2 and root 3 if you multiply, what we should get? We should get root 6. Here also if you try that same way, question number 16, you can easily solve. 3, so 3 means 2 root 3 and 1 root 3 is here. That means root 3 a whole cube. 5 root 5, that means 5 root 5 c whole cube. And apply that same way as we are doing, we have to apply same way. There isn't any difference over here. And from question number 17, we have to apply that second formula, which is written as a cube, b cube, c cube is equal to 3abc. So here you can find out numbers are written. Let first be x, second one be y, and third be z. So what can we write? X cube, y cube, z cube. X cube, y cube, z cube is equal to 3xyz. In place of x, a minus b. In place of y, this one. And in place of c, the other one. Here a cube, b cube, c cube. See here is equal to 3abc. Assuming as the first number be as x, second number y, and third number z. So x cube, y cube, z cube is equal to 3xyz. 3xyz. Written. We won't have any difference.